In this video, let's see how to post and manage direct charges in the billing system. Choose Direct Charges Posting Bill List from the drop-down menu under the List section in the navigation bar. Click on the Post New Charge button in the top right corner of the Charges Postings page. Provide the needed information in the required fields on the new charges posting form. Click on the Post Charge To drop-down and select Direct from the list. Choose Room from the list if you need to post to a room. At this point, select Direct from the list. While entering the contact number in the Contact Number field, and the remaining details will be automatically loaded. Click on the Add button in the Transaction Details section to add a new charge. Pick a charge name. Enter the rate for the transaction in the Rate field. Click the Tax Included drop-down and select Yes to include tax in the transaction. Enter a remark for the transaction in the Remark field. Click the plus icon to add the new transaction details. Again, select a charge name in the list. Enter the rate for the new transaction in the Rate field. Enter a remark for the transaction in the Remark field. Click the plus icon to input the new transaction details once more. Please select a charge name once more. Then input the rate for the new transaction again in the designated Rate field. Enter a remark for the transaction in the Remark field again. Confirm the charges that have been entered. Enter the cash amount received in the Payment Details section. Click on the Post Charge button in the form area to submit the new charges. Select a bill from the list by clicking on the corresponding row. The process of generating the charges posting bill has been successfully completed.